Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a pen shooter and some rubber band tricks. Wow. So let's get into the video. So the materials required to make the pen shooter are a pen with rubber grip, and you should be able to open on either sides from front and back. So these caps are not needed, the refill is needed. So then the next one is toothpick, then a rubber band, and then a safety pin. So first let's start. Take the toothpick, okay, let the refill be here. Take the toothpick, slowly and carefully insert it into the rubber grip. Yeah, done. So after that it will look like this. It should be even, it should be equal. Okay, then you take the rubber band and open the safety pin. So insert this part here, this part, and insert it with the rubber band. Okay, so we are over with that. And then take the rubber band and the safety pin. Okay, so after this you have to put it like this. Okay, I'll show it again. So from starting, this is the stand which holds the rubber band. You have to put it like this. Then take the refill and insert it. Okay, so when you're shooting, you should put it like this. So here the pen gun is ready. So let's test it. So now I'm going to start the testing. First push it from inside to get it here. So you have to hold the refill, not the safety pin. If you hold the safety pin, this thing will come out. It will come out from the refill. Okay, so insert it into the refill like this. You can see, right, the safety pin is in the refill. Okay, so pull the refill. I have a face mask box in front of me. I'm going to shoot it. I think the refill will pierce the box. Oh yes, it did. Look at this. Wow. It just pierced the box. Okay, let's view this video in slow motion. So I have two rubber band tricks here. So the first one is with paper and the second one is without paper. So you can take a piece of paper. It's not necessary to be any kind of paper. It can be any kind. You know, I have a piece of paper here. It's from my brother's old circular. Okay, so tear it like this. It's to make the bullet. You can fold it any way as you wish. So the only one rule in this, it should be at the end, it should look like this. You can fold it in any way. As far as you fold, it goes hard. Okay, at the end it should look like a V shape so that it fits the rubber band. So here, take the rubber band like this, you know, like this. Yeah, okay, so put it here and then shoot it. You can make many bullets. With this you can bully your siblings. You can take revenge on them. Whoa, it's too strong. So let's move to the second trick. Okay, second trick is very easy. So you have to use your right hand for that. Okay, so you see your baby finger here. People call it baby finger. So this part you have to put it like this. Hold it tight around your hand. Okay, so it goes around the thumb finger, and put it on the index finger like this. So when you show it to people, they think you're just showing your hand like this, nothing is there. So when you remove, you take your baby finger out, it just goes boom, it went.